This is day 159 and today we are looking at waterfalls graph. So what is a waterfall graph? A waterfall graph is a graph like what you are seeing on the screen here, which shows, for example, here I'm showing an opening balance and a closing balance here and another closing balance at the end of the next period. So how can you do a graph similar to this? So to be able to do this graph, you have to have your data in this format. So let's take out this first part here and let me just resize. So as you can see, I have my opening balance, then I have the movements for the week. So these are basically the movements or the amounts that came in or that were spent in each of the days. Then I have the closing balance, which is basically the sum. So let me just delete this graph and insert it again. So you select the data and you say insert. So what am I inserting? I'm inserting a waterfall graph. There is the waterfall graph here. Waterfall graph. All right, cool. So here I have how I want to show my increase and my totals. So I would say increase, I want it to be in green. Okay. Then decrease, I want it in red. But I still have a problem here because my total here is still showing as an increase. So I want to show it as a total. So I just make sure I click this one. So I click it twice. So once, then twice. So you can see I'm only selecting this total. So I can then say right click, then I say set as total. So you can see now it's the total now, it's showing as a total. If I want to do the same with the opening balance as well, I can just click it and say, or right click it and say set as total as well. I don't need my chart title here. Then I can add the movements for the following week. Okay. Then I can resize my graph. All right, this is a total. All right. So as you can see, I have the movement for the first week, then movement for second week. So to just help your users, what you could do also is to just add, for example, labels like week 1 and week 2. So you can just go to insert and you say under insert shapes, week 1, then week 2. Okay, something like this. So this is how you can create a waterfall graph. If you have enjoyed watching my video, please don't forget to hit the like button and also to hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.